Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 310 Limited Factory Crew Cab Euro 6 ULEZ engine needs repairing, no VAT. Body, blue, crew cab. Mileage, 132,905. MOT, the 2nd of October 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load, seating area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 keys, air con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.